Whether during the assembly of railroad tracks, special-purpose vehicles, or flange connections for pipelines, for standardized load washers, there is often not enough assembly space available to secure the screw connections against temperature fluctuations or to compensate for play. To solve this, SCHNORR has developed the HS-Washer. It is a slightly curved load washer that has a significantly smaller outer diameter than the load washer, according to DIN 6796. Due to this curvature, HS washers offer the same clamping force as DIN load washers, but they need less space. Whatever your individual requirement might be, with HS washers, we offer solutions for all common screw sizes in a large variety of materials and coatings. Find your appropriate HS washer in our website now and keep your assembly compact.